scope of learning Python programming language in 2022 vertical bar Shebiguru. Learning Python as a programming language has many benefits and potential career opportunities. It is an open source language with a wide range of applications and is one of the most popular. Python is an excellent programming language that can be used for everything from desktop software to web applications to games. It is one of the most versatile languages available and is popular in a number of industries. This means that the future of Python programming is bright and the language is a great choice for recent graduates and school students. In addition, it can give programmers a solid foundation for careers in fields such as data science, machine learning, robotic process automation, and more. As a programming language, Python is widely used for web development, data science, and back-end development. According to a survey conducted by Stack Overflow, Python is the third most popular programming language used by developers. Its open source nature means that as the language grows in popularity, so will the number of libraries. The popularity of the Python programming language has skyrocketed in recent years, with a 50% increase in the last year alone, and that number is projected to continue to rise. Its growing popularity is due to its many applications in machine learning and artificial intelligence. In addition to its use in web development, Python is also being used in various industries, including the healthcare industry and data research. Python is an open source programming language that is designed to be easy to learn. Its simple syntax and features make programming easier for beginners and open up a wide variety of opportunities. It also allows developers to code more efficiently, freeing up time for other projects. Today, it is one of the most popular open source programming languages on the market. Some of its most popular uses include artificial intelligence, back-end development, data science, and web application development. It is used to code software for 3D modeling and scientific data processing. It is widely used for various types of applications and is relatively easy to learn. Python is widely used in a wide variety of industries, such as science and engineering, and can help you analyze massive amounts of data. The language can be used in every stage of the scientific research process, from designing experiments to collecting data. Learning the Python programming language is vital for a career in the information technology industry and can lead to a high-paying job. While the Python programming language is highly regarded for its versatility and easy learning, it may not be a good fit for everyone. It is a popular choice among programmers, and if you know how to use it, you may find your dream job in this field. You can learn Python from online resources such as Alex and Udacity or even by taking a boot camp program. This language is becoming increasingly popular, and more companies are searching for developers with experience in it. You can find a number of online programs and courses that will teach you the language. For example, you can build machine learning applications, automate emails, or analyze supply chain production. Python can be used for many different projects, including back-end development, web development, and apps. Python is the most popular programming language in the world and is rapidly gaining popularity in the fields of data science and machine learning. The Python language is easy to learn and can help you create anything from simple scripts to complex object-oriented applications. Codecademy is a great choice for beginners as it offers a pleasant user interface and courses to help you learn the language. You can also use Learn Python, which is an Android app for beginners and data science enthusiasts.